To disable Google Assistant on Realme GT 7 Pro, we can try a few things. As there's no straightforward to disable it, we can try to stop it as much as possible from popping up. So first of all, let's open our settings. Then we can scroll all the way down and enter our Google service. Now navigate to all services, scroll down and select Search Assistant and Voice. Go for Google Assistant and then select Hey Google and Voice Match. Now you will need to disable Hey Google, and now each time you say Hey Google, it won't pop up just like it is for me. And next thing we can do is in the system settings, we can move to system navigation. If you're using 3 buttons, then I strongly recommend to remove Google Assistant from the home button. That way it won't pop up if we hold it, but instead if we hold it, it will pop up when it's enabled. And this is basically everything you can do to actually stop Google Assistant from popping up. You can also try one more thing actually. We can go to apps, select default apps, and then there's the digital assistant app. And right here, we can disable all of the functions, which should potentially remove everything that can work with Google Assistant on your phone.